Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mayur Mishra.
I am Priyanshu Kumar.
I am Sagar Kumar.
I am Raviranjan. We all are from the 6th semester B Pharmacy. Now, my project is about the CRISPR-Cas9 technique. What CRISPR is actually? CRISPR is the cluster regularly interspaced short palindromic repeat, and Cas9 is the CRISPR-associated protein, which is actually the nuclease enzyme. It is used to cut the DNA wherever we want. Now, for this technique, we are just here to show you this is the DNA in which this red part I am showing. This red part is actually the non-functional DNA. It means there is some genetic defect is occurring inside this DNA. And now, what is the aim of this project is we just use to this CRISPR technique to cure this defective DNA to required DNA which we want. Now what we have to do is to overcome this DNA, we have to make a guide RNA. This guide, how can we make this guide RNA? The specification of this guide RNA is this. We are just making this guide RNA by the complementary of this DNA which we require. Now this guide RNA, we have to, after the making of this guide RNA, we just incorporated it inside the DNA, and the specification of this RNA is wherever this RNA goes to bind in that part only where we require to cure that genetic defect. And after the incorporation of this guide RNA, the Cas protein is going to bind that part only wherever this guide RNA is going to be attached to it. Now, what is the next part here is? The next part here is the Cas protein. As I can say, as well says that Cas protein is actually the nuclease enzyme. This is used to cut that DNA into fragments. Now, this Cas protein is just bind with this part wherever this guide RNA is present, and after the cutting of this DNA part, this Cas protein, after the cutting, this RNA will going to bind with that DNA part, and after the binding of this DNA part, we are just going to get our required DNA which we want. Now I am just coming from the application of this CRISPR-Cas9 technique. Here a lot of study is going to be done in this CRISPR-Cas9 technique, and there is a lot of applications. Like I just explained that suppose this is the DNA which is cause some genetic disease in our body, and to cure this genetic disorder we are just using this CRISPR technique for the farmers.